Regensburg voice modified using artificial intelligence. Regensburg is a city located in the state of Bavaria in southeastern Germany. It is situated on the Danube River and is known for its rich history, well-preserved medieval architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. Cathedral of St. Peter. The Regensburg Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of St. Peter, Regensburger Dome, is a stunning example of Gothic architecture and one of the city's most iconic landmarks. It houses numerous artworks and historical artifacts. Steinernbrücke is a 12th century bridge that connects the old town to Stadt Tamhof, the part of the city on the opposite bank of the Danube. It is one of the oldest stone bridges in Germany and a popular spot for visitors. Cuisine is prevalent in Regensburg, and you can enjoy traditional dishes like sausages, sauerkraut, and pretzels in local restaurants and beer gardens. The city is also known for its beer, including the famous Regensburg Weiss beer. Regensburg is a charming and picturesque city that offers a blend of history, culture, and modernity. Its well-preserved medieval character and vibrant atmosphere make it a popular destination for tourists and a pleasant place to live for its residents. Historical significance. Regensburg has a history that dates back over 2,000 years. It was founded by the Romans in the 2nd century AD and was an important trade and administrative center in the Middle Ages. The Old Town of Regensburg is a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its well-preserved medieval buildings and city layout. The city's historic center is known for its narrow, winding streets, impressive Gothic and Romanesque architecture, The area where Regensburg is located was initially settled by the Romans around the late 1st century AD. The Romans established a military camp or fortification called Castra Regina at this location. Castra Regina roughly translates to fortress by the river Regen, as it was situated near the confluence of the Danube and Regen rivers. During the Roman period, the city featured typical Roman architecture, including walls, watchtowers, and other fortifications. The remains of some of these structures can still be seen in Regensburg today.